Hello, Christoph here from New Dimension 3D, and today we are going to start an assembly guide for OOP printer kit, which is probably the first big DIY printer. More formally, it is a high temperature printer on which you can run a full range thermoplastic materials, including commodity engineering and advanced materials. Here is how it works. The halogen heater is fitted around the nozzle, and you can control the intensity of the light during the 3D printing process or assign it to the layer in the slicer. As you can see, I can increase or decrease the intensity of the light. That means that I control the temperature during the deposition process. Now everyone can afford a printer for advanced material. You can even set up a farm of the printers and limit maintenance cost, because you will know how to build it. In the following weeks you will see a full assembly process of this printer, so see you next time when we're going to start with the frame.